Hi, Mr. Glue here. We're going to do a shelf from a refrigerator. This one is a bit not really wanting to go perfectly back together. The glue will glue the material, but it's just a little bit apart there. We'll give it a shot. You don't need a lot of the glue. In this instance, it's probably going to have to kind of wick in a bit. We'll just apply a little bit along the joint here. And there's a couple of breaks, and you just basically kind of have to let it wick in, and then it will run a bit, and then we'll just run it up here, the edge, one side only. You don't need much, and you're probably in an instance like this going to get way more than you need. And there we go. Getting there. That's the trickiest part, is getting these things. It's like when you're doing ceramic or things like this. But this will glue the material. Mr. Glue will glue the material. It'll be bond really well. Tricky thing is, again, you want those surfaces really close together. The tighter the bond, the better, stronger it'll be, and it'll last a lot longer. So, and that's